Hey guys, you know what today we're going to do? We're going to skip a whole bunch of other stuff that I should be doing. We're going to start prepping for the air conditioner. You want to know why? Because it's freaking hot inside my camper and I'm ready for some AC. Let's do this thing. Come on. Alright guys, as you can see, I have not prepped my air conditioner. I did prep it by getting it on top. Me and my son did that a couple of weeks ago. And well, you know what? I've got to kind of turn it over. I've got to re-prep the hole, everything else. And I apologize for the wind, but you know what? We got a nice little breeze today, about 60 miles an hour, like the Oklahoma Panhandle usually does. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish prepping this. I'm gonna get my hole done, probably some other things, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what I've done. And I'll not make you listen to the wind. Dadgum. Be back in a minute. Alright guys, I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but I got the camper, well I got the air conditioner reinstalled on the top of the camper. I temporarily did it in here. Now, it's pretty dark in here, but not super horrible. Now, you're going to be looking, you're going to say, hey, what is that? Well, that right there, that's that plate on the bottom of the air conditioner, if you remember. And then what I did is I actually took the extension cord and hooked it up to it, the one that was in the pop-up. Now this will not stay like this. This will be taken out. I'm going to hardwire this straight to the breaker box. So just like it was before, just without having this, 50-foot cord going into my house. Now the one other thing is, you see that? It's missing. Remember this one? Back in like episode 1 or 2, this dude broke off. I've been soaking it for a couple hours up top, and you know what? It does not want to come out. But we will get it out at some point, and I'll just put another one in. I'm going to go to the hardware store tomorrow and see if I can't find a longer one of these. It's almost long enough. They actually made these about 3 inches too long, and I don't know why. Probably it's probably universal, so if you have a like a pop-up, it can fit on the top of it because it's just 3/4 inch thick. This one's 2 inches thick. Some of the campers are actually close to 6 inches thick, so it's probably just a universal bolt that they put on all of them. So anyways, just wanted to give you an update, let you know that the air conditioner does work. Hot dog. So I'm gonna finish buttoning up, and I'm gonna leave this temporary wiring here while I'm wiring the rest of the camper. And you know what, I'll probably get back with you on another day. We're getting close to moving. Well, actually, at this point, we may already be moved by the time you watch this. We've been making trip after trip after trip, so I'm tired. And if I happen to accidentally miss a week, y'all forgive me. Anyways, I will catch y'all next time. And until then, if you want to see some more of this, just, look around. Hit that like and subscribe button. And then tell your friends, tell your family, tell a zombie if you see them. I'll catch you next time. Bye.